Hey guys, Killshot here, here's our video. This is one of those really random videos I do every once in a while. And today, we're gonna be looking at getting out this dent right here in my car. So I think I was in class at the time and someone hit my bumper while they're trying to park, I guess next to me or something. And they did not leave a note, and I don't know who did it, but yeah, they just left this big dent in my car. And this is a 2005 Toyota Camry. And yeah, the paint just kind of cracks, and it's all plastic obviously, but it's, you know, it's pretty decent, you know, circular dent. So I'm gonna see if I can take it out with some tools, and we'll see what we can do.
Rubbing alcohol to clean the spot.
So okay, gotcha. Yeah, rubbing alcohol. Okay.
Okay. Skip that for now.
All right.
This
is
is
just a big pot of, you know.
These are
water.
glue sticks.
Okay.
Because what you're gonna, in a glue gun, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some glue, and then this can help take up the dent if we need to. And this is a little contraption, and this goes through here and it allows you to pull out the dent. We're gonna try that. This is a scraper to pull off the glue once you're done.
Yeah, okay.
And then this is the heavy duty Dent Puller. It's supposed to be very good. We're gonna try this first and see if this works.
All right.
Then we have water that we're bringing to a boil right now to heat up the plastic bumper so that it will be easier to pop out the dent. And then once we do that, we're gonna use the cold water to be able to set the bumper in place and cool it off so that it doesn't pop back into place. And this is the first time we're trying all this, so we'll see how it all works together.
Hi, step one. Alrighty. So like squirt a sponge on here. Alright, cool. Pretty good? Okay, cool. So now we're just rubbing that with alcohol. So I have boiling water right here. I'm just gonna heat it up. Dent. So very slowly kind of pour it out. Kind of let it drip. And I have it right over the dent. I am pouring all of it. Some of the steam coming out. Fail. Alright, so I lost track of the steps, but now we're going to do the glue gun and this. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put just a little bit on there, or a good amount. And what I'm doing, I'm just pulling the trigger, pushing the glue forward until it eventually comes out. I'm going to put just a bit on there, good decent amount on there. And we're going to place this right directly in the middle. And then you're gonna hold it very firm. So right there, contact, and we're just gonna hold that until it is firmly on there. And all right, so now that is on there, very secured. And it now has a little grip handle right here. So all we're gonna do is gonna grab this and we're gonna try to pull that out right there. I'm gonna pour that right on the side of it. Not getting in the middle, because if you get it in the middle, then the water would loosen up the glue, and then it would kind of fall off. So we're just doing it right around the glue. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Oh. And there's the glue, still on there. You did go over.
Yes,
You did go over it. Kind of cleaned it up, but the plastic bumper is still has water on it, or like it's hot from the water. Oh, that came out again. Okay, so we got something there. So we're just securing it very tightly. Alright, so it's been about a week, and we have had no luck with getting at the pull, or like the dent pulled out. And I mean, we did get a good amount of it out, but it's not completely like out, you know, like you can still see it. But within 1 week, we got some new tools here. We got a new, better, I guess, glue gun. We've got some more glue sticks, which are supposed to be more powerful. There's some wind here. We did use that last time. We are now going to try to use the slide hammer, or the type T puller, I guess that's what they call it. So this is gonna be used. We're gonna try that. And here are some new, I guess, paddle like thingies for like to stick the glue onto the you know, the car and to this platform here, and then we pull that. So yeah, very cool.
We're using the hair dryer now to warm it up. Alrighty, so we've got some black glue right here on this new, you know, pad thingy. So looks almost like venom, but anyway, just put it right in there very securely. You can almost can't really see it. There, perfect. That's really good. Okay, so we are back, part 2, with the type T puller, or as they would call it, the slide hammer. So I'm gonna lock the black thingy platform, whatever it is called, into this slot right here, and then I'm just gonna rotate it so it locks into place, and then I'm gonna pull it with this metal mechanism right here. So let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so lock it in right there. I'm moving it out of the way. Oh my. Yeah! Whoa! Now it ain't perfect, but it's good enough.
All right.
And that is with the
75.
yeah, there you go. Ow. Leave a like, I guess. Oh man, oh, there's a wasp right there. Oh.